How much money do you actually need to get started as a real estate investor? I'm gonna share with you coming right up. Hey, what's going on, guys? Matty A here, the six-figure flipper, and I get the question asked to me all the time, Matt, how much money do I actually need to get started in real estate investing? There's a lot of information out there on what you need to get started, how much money you need, how much time you need to put into this, and I wanted to share with you my opinion on how you can get started in real estate investing with just $1,000. Of course, when you're first getting in the game, you want to have business cards. Those are super cheap. You can get 500 for $10 from Vistaprint. They're always running a special, and these aren't even 100% necessary, right? Then of course, G Suite. You can practically run your entire business off of Google using Google Sheets, Google Docs. You can get your email, you can get your Google Voice number, and that ranges anywhere from $5 to $25. Of course, gas money, you want to be able to get to and from some of the networking appointments you're going to be going on, some of the walkthrough appointments you're going to be going on. So let's give you $100 for that. Well, you have $880 left over of that $1,000 that you're going to want to put towards your marketing budget. The most important thing when you're first getting started as a real estate investor is you want to be able to generate opportunities, right? So of course, some of the free strategies take a little bit more time, a little bit more effort, a little bit more nurturing for those activities to actually pan out into something that ultimately ends up in a payday in your pocket. So we want to generate and attract opportunities to us as quickly as possible. Now, there are many different marketing strategies out there that you can use to get those motivated sellers coming to you. My favorite is direct mail. Direct mail is one of the most proven strategies that has been around for decades. A lot of people say direct mail is dead, and I don't believe that is the case. And one of the best ways that you can get motivated sellers calling you is by sending them strategic pieces of mail, whether that's a postcard, a formal letter, a yellow letter. There's many different newsletters or big postcards or what we call tear sheets that you can send out to individuals and get them to call you. And by doing that, they're raising their hand saying, I want to have a conversation with you about potentially selling my home. So I like direct mail. And on the next sheet, I'll show you a couple other strategies, but we have 100 different ways that you can generate leads. And I'm going to go ahead and post a link in the show description below, a free PDF for you to check out 100 ways that we've generated deals that have actually turned into profitable opportunities. And just know that there are many free strategies. When I was first getting started, my favorite price tag was free 99. I didn't have a whole lot of money, had a lot of hustle, a lot of heart. I was willing to work hard. So I went after, of course, the MLS, using MLS keywords. There's a lot of deals and opportunities in the MLS that if you use some of the keyword strategies that we teach inside the Six-Figure Flipper, you can have consistent leads coming to you every single day. Now, there's most competition on the MLS. However, what you're going to do, especially when you're first getting started, is getting more reps, right? So by having those opportunities come to you that may meet the criteria of an investment that works for you, you're going to start to see more of those opportunities, get more reps. You're going to start narrowing down your focus, connecting the dots on some of these things. It'll start to make a little bit more sense. So the more reps you can get, right, the better it will be. The MLS is one of those spaces that you can do that in, and you'll start to see the agents that you may want to start building some relationships with, right? So agent relationships are very important, whether that's cold calling these individuals, whether it's door knocking. I was pounding the pavement in the beginning. And I would go around using the script, hi, my name is Matt Aitchison with blah, blah, blah investment company, and our investment firm is looking to buy another house in this neighborhood in the next 60 days. Your house seems to meet our criteria. Would you be open to receiving a cash offer on your home? Very simple. Pound in as many doors as possible. So you can door knock, Facebook groups, podcasts, wholesalers, cold calling, you name it. There are 100 ways that you can learn how to find deals in that free PDF. So check that out. At the end of the day, when you're first getting started, resourcefulness will always beat resources. I know a lot of people that throw a lot of money at marketing dollars and they don't have leads coming into them. I know a lot of people that jumped in the game with no money whatsoever, worked their tail off, was able to learn and grow and get reps. They had some bruises and some cuts along the way, but at the end of the day, they found their first deals a lot faster than some of those people who had way more resources than them. So some other things to think about. Future expenses are, of course, going to be your website, your domain for your website, maybe entity formation, a CRM to house your leads or your database, right? And the follow-up systems, like I said, you can do all of that off of Google in the very beginning. Marketing, whether that's cold calling systems with Mojo or CallRail or different softwares and services that go into that, or buying lists that you want to be strategically going after, whether it's pay-per-click or Facebook ads, the list goes on and on, right? With your marketing costs. VAs, virtual assistants that can help you with some of these things, or employees that are going to be used for some of the administrative stuff as you begin to scale your business. There are, of course, costs associated with doing business and growing your business. But in the beginning, don't think that the barrier of entry is so high, and don't listen to all the people that say you have to have all this money to not only start your business, but to fund those opportunities. I teach people all the time how I've funded 170 flips using none of my own money, 100% other people's money. And everybody made money, everybody won, everybody was happy, and you can rinse and repeat that over and over. So you don't need all kinds of money. Resourcefulness over resources. Get in the game, keep investing in yourself, keep investing in your wealth. And if you're playing that long-term game, if you have the crock-pot mentality over the microwave mindset of I need a deal so fast, versus it being I'm in this for the long haul and this is going to be a vehicle that I'm going to leverage to really build wealth, to really unlock financial freedom, and you commit to that path, you are guaranteed to be successful. So hopefully this was helpful for you. If you're just getting started and you're really excited but you're nervous, you don't know where to start, feel free to take the free training that I have below. There's a link in the show description that shows you and walks you through the entire process of how I found my first deal, how I funded it using 100% of other people's money, how I use this model to not only make $100,000 on that first flip, but I scaled it to hundreds of flips over the last few years and used all that money to go buy rentals, to create more passive income, to unlock financial freedom, all the stuff that every individual, including myself, usually is attracted to real estate for in the first place. So don't be scared. Just continue to educate yourself, continue to align with the right people, the right resources, the right community, get the support that you need, and just keep taking action. So if you got some value from this video, give it a like. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, be sure to subscribe for more real estate investing videos, more mindset videos, more tools and resources to help you unlock your rich and fulfilling life, whatever path that may be on. And if you want to share this video with a friend, that is how we continue to grow this channel. I appreciate you guys. Keep investing in yourself and your wealth on your march to $1 million and beyond. Cheers.